Have you ever wondered why the semen produced inside the male body is white in color, what fluids are mixed in it, and how does a tiny sperm cell become powerful enough to start a new life? Where exactly are sperm produced inside the body, who gives them energy, and how are millions of sperm created every single day? Today, in this video by Zenvy Health, we will understand this amazing process happening inside the male body from beginning to end in complete detail, which is scientifically known as the process of sperm formation. In this video, you will learn how sperm are made, why semen appears white or slightly yellow, what fluids are mixed in it, and how this entire process works inside the body. So make sure to watch the video till the end, because today you are going to discover one of the biggest secrets of the human body that very few people truly know about. The process of sperm formation begins in the testes. The testes are located inside a sac-like structure outside the body, and inside them are thousands of tiny coiled tubes. It is inside these tubes that special cells are present, which gradually begin transforming into sperm cells. In the beginning, these cells are completely ordinary, but over time, they divide many times and continuously undergo changes. During this process, the number of chromosomes inside the cells becomes half. Normal body cells contain 46 chromosomes, but during sperm formation this number is reduced to 23, so that when the sperm combines with the female egg, the new baby again has a total of 46 chromosomes. After this, the cells begin changing their shape. Their head develops, which contains DNA. A special cap-like layer forms over the head that helps the sperm enter the egg. Then the middle part develops, which contains tiny energy-producing structures that provide power to the sperm. Finally, a long tail forms, which helps the sperm swim and move forward. But this entire process of sperm formation does not happen automatically. It is controlled by hormones in the body. A special gland present in the brain releases hormones that signal the testes to produce sperm. One hormone stimulates sperm production, while another helps produce the main male hormone called testosterone. This hormone plays the most important role in male reproductive ability and the development of sperm. Even after sperm are completely formed, they do not immediately leave the body. First, they move into a long coiled tube where they become fully mature and gain the ability to swim. After this, when the process of semen release occurs, the sperm travel through a special tube. Along the way, fluids released from several glands mix with them. First, a thick fluid released from the seminal vesicle mixes in, which may appear slightly yellow in color. This fluid contains a sugar called fructose that provides energy to the sperm so they can survive longer and swim faster. After this, the prostate gland releases a thin, milky white fluid that mainly gives semen its white color. This fluid protects the sperm and provides them with a suitable environment. In addition, the Cowper's gland releases a transparent, slippery fluid that helps clean and lubricate the pathway. The mixture of all these fluids together with sperm is called semen. This is why semen usually appears white, light yellow, or cream-colored. In a healthy male body, millions of new sperm are produced every day, and it takes approximately 2 to 2.5 months for a sperm cell to become fully developed. This incredible process continues every moment inside the body, even though we cannot see it with our eyes. Yet this very process has the power to begin a new life. Just imagine a microscopic cell created inside the body can one day become the reason for the birth of a completely new human being. That is why the human body is considered one of the most amazing creations of nature. If you enjoyed this video by Zenvy Health and want to watch more mysterious and informative videos related to the human body, health and science, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos.